I love cars, but there has always been room for motorcycles in my heart. I have had many. I even have one in the dining room of my house. It's a monkey bike, a Chinese replica of the original Honda Dax from the 70s. My friend Joseph gave it to me when he passed away. It has 110 cubic centimeters, 4-speed engine, and it's quite modified. Being Chinese, the quality is terrible, so it's better to have on exposition. But today we are not going to talk about this monkey bike. Sit down, grab some popcorn because Albert Cars starts. Guys, let me introduce you to my new Honda Dax 125. This is a 2023 version of the Dax from the 70s. It's a little larger than the original, but retaining the same essence with the 21st century technology. It has disc brakes on both axles, ABS, electronic injection and LED technology. The engine is 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled. It has 4-speed manual gearbox and automatic clutch. That means you can change gears without using your hands, just by stopping accelerating. Curious. The amount of light provided by LED technology is impressive. Reminds me of my Miata. The 3.8-liter fuel tank is hidden under the seat, enough to travel about 200 kilometers. The 9.5 horsepower engine and the 12-inch wheels provide great ride quality. I really love this motorbike, but it's too original for me. So the first modification has not been long in coming. The first modification is to replace these terrible tires with much better ones. I have chosen this Dunlop TT 93 GP, an almost competition tire with great grip in the dry, not so much in the wet. Packages are starting to arrive. What will be? A mini carbon fiber front fender from Dios Design. Horrible. I really wanted to remove it. What a change! Impressive how well it suits. Another package. The aesthetic piece that will change the image of the Dax the most has arrived. It is a universal tuning license plate holder that will radically change the image of the Dax. Goodbye originality, let the party begin. Well, I'll have a little compassion on the original. I'm going to use the original taillight. Does not fit? No problem. What do you think about the change? Do you like it? We continue installing these approved mini LED turn signals. €2. This is what this white marker for tire leathers cost me. A lot of pulls and a lot of patience, guys. And twice. Now looks like a racing motorcycle. The Dax is grey, or blue, I don't know, but a little color will do it very well. Do you know what it is? It's a brake paint kit from the Foliatech brand, in yellow color. Before painting, we clean the caliper with the brake cleaning spray that comes with the kit. It hasn't turned out that bad. For the next modification, we need to remove these handlebar counterweights. They cost me a lot to extract. Another package. What will be? Some cafe racer mirrors. Very nice. The original mirrors are super practical, but they are not my style. So, out. These cafe racer mirrors are universal and approved. They install in a moment. They look great. If you are a purist, don't look. At the end of the video you will know why I removed the original stickers. I have already received the relay for the turn signals. Now it is. The reflector that came with the license plate holder is too big for my taste. In a shop I found this smaller one that looks much better. Things get serious. These adjustable rear shock absorbers from the ESS brand just arrived from Thailand. They have a brutal appearance. To change the right side shock absorber, I have to remove the exhaust. Let's do it. It's Christmas and my birthday, and another package has arrived. I was waiting for this package for the last 6 months. What will it be? Finally, this Yoshimura Cyclone exhaust has arrived directly from Japan. They say it's just for a racing use and for street, without a catalyst and with a carbon fiber trim. Okay, instructions in Japanese. Very good. If somebody can help me in translate this, please send me in the comments. Today I have a camera assistant, better to install in a good company. More packages? Direct from Greece, I just received this high-flow air filter from DNA brand. To change the air filter, we have to loosen 4 screws on the airbox and remove the 2 clips from the trim. This high-flow air filter promises 48% more airflow. Let's see if it shows in an improvement in performance. The last package has arrived. A very freaky stuff. A Kitako bottle opener. Its feet below the exhaust. It's used to open glass bottles. If you drink, don't drive. Guys, do you wanna see the final result?